Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Today I am going to talk about Int Medical interim report. Do note that this is not a financial advice or a buy or sell call. All content are AI generated and is not associated with anyone. Shanghai Int Medical Instruments Co., Limited offers a wide range of medical devices and services, including cardiovascular interventional medical devices, digital inflation, devices guiding catheters, microcatheters, guidewires, angiography catheters, Y connector packs, inflation, devices, manifolds for single-use pressure bandages, angiography, syringes, stopcocks, sterile Seldinger needles, pressure transducers, extension tubes, introducer sets, joint intervention kits, distal access catheters. The company also provides medical accessories such as check valves, needle-free connectors, male lure locks, bistoppers, heparin, caps, flush devices, flow regulators, drip chamber assemblies. Additionally, Shanghai Int Medical Instruments Co., Limited offers other products including disposable respirators, 3D medical surgical masks, vaginal dilators, Foley catheters, infusion pumps, umbilical cord clamps, infusion connectors and accessories, burette infusion sets without needles. The recent 16.13% increase in IMD International Medical Devices (SPA) stock price can be attributed to a combination of factors. The company's strong financial health, with more cash than debt and short-term assets exceeding liabilities, has likely boosted investor confidence. Additionally, the modest rise in European market indices and stable interest rates have created a favorable environment for companies like IMD. Despite modest earnings growth of 0.6%, the company outpaced its industry's decline, contributing to its positive stock performance. Overall, these factors have contributed to the slight increase in IMD's medical stock price over the past year. The primary drivers of revenue growth or decline are primarily driven by sales volume increases across various product segments. Revenue growth is attributed to significant increases in sales volumes of interventional medical devices, 13.57%, agent business, 118.69%, and other device categories such as neurological, peripheral, and cardiovascular devices. Conversely, the decline in end vascular and peripheral vascular devices, minus 64.1%, actually contributes to overall revenue growth due to its relatively small size compared to other segments. The company is indeed generating positive operating cash flow. This can be confirmed through multiple sources in the financial summary. On page 11 and 40, it is stated that the net cash flow from operating activities is RMB 122.66 million and RMB 122,661 respectively. Furthermore, pages 12 and 40 also support this claim. The positive operating cash flow indicates a healthy financial position for the company. The company's financial situation has undergone significant changes in recent years. A notable increase in debt level is observed, with a rise of RMB 161.08 million from RMB 434.46 million at the end of 2024 to RMB 695.54 million as of June 30, 2025. This substantial increase in debt has also led to a significant jump in interest expenses, which have risen by 244% from 733 in 2024 to 2519 in 2025. These changes indicate a considerable shift in the company's financial dynamics, warranting closer examination of its financial management and strategies. The performance of various segments and regions in the financial summary reveals a mixed picture. Notably, the All Others segment and two geographical regions, Chinese mainland and the United States, demonstrated strong growth with increased revenue. In contrast, the cardiovascular interventional business saw its net profit decrease despite an increase in revenue. Europe also performed poorly, experiencing a decline in revenue of 11% compared to the previous year. These results indicate that while some segments and regions are thriving, others require improvement. Management is optimistic about the company's outlook, highlighting a strategic focus on investing in key sectors of the healthcare industry. Specifically, they plan to concentrate on medical devices, pharmaceuticals, biologics, and contract research organization services within the Chinese market. Additionally, they aim to capitalize on emerging opportunities by investing in startups and early-stage businesses in the medical device sector, particularly in cardiovascular and neuro-interventional devices. By achieving investment returns through equity investments, management is confident that this strategy will drive growth and success for the company. There were no notable acquisitions or divestitures in this period. The company's financial strategy focused on organic growth and internal development rather than external transactions. The company has demonstrated a commitment to returning value to its shareholders through various means. In 2024, it paid out dividends of RMB 0.27 per share, providing a direct return on investment to its stakeholders. Additionally, the company engaged in share repurchases, acquiring 818,919 shares at an average price of HKD26 per share. This strategic move not only supports the company's financial health, but also enhances shareholder value by reducing the outstanding share count and potentially boosting earnings per share. Concerns about inventory buildup and supply chain disruption. The company's financial summary reveals alarming trends that indicate potential issues with inventory buildup and supply chain disruption. A significant increase in raw materials inventory of 33%, page 50, suggests that the company may be overstocking, which can lead to wasted resources and reduced cash flow. Furthermore, distribution costs have risen by 8%, page 35, indicating inefficiencies in the logistics process. The substantial increase in goods in transit by 212%, page 50, also raises concerns about supply chain disruptions, potentially causing delays and additional expenses for the company. These trends collectively point to a pressing need for the company to reassess its inventory management and supply chain strategies to mitigate these risks and ensure smoother operations. That concludes the financial summary for Int Medical. Feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.